Hello everyone, this is me, and in this video I will show you how to connect your pen drive to your phone. So here you can see this is my Adata pen drive 64 GB, and I try to connect this pen drive on my mobile phone or Android phone, any kind of phone you can connect. So let's begin. So firstly you need a OTG cable. So here you can see I bought a new OTG cable. Here you can see, there you can see, you just need this OTG cable for connect your pen drive to your phone. So here you can see, I just open. So here you can see there have a port for connecting this pen drive at first. So I just try to connect this. Okay, it's complete setup. Now you just connect this port on your mobile phone, and after that you can use this pen drive, or your pen drive already connected with your mobile phone. I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.